युरी बाब, तुमचे दोन्ही कॅन्डिडेट डिक्लेअर झाला. व्हॉट इज युअर रिएक्शन आणि तुमचे सगळे फर्स्ट कमेंट?
See, म्हाका दिसता that all the Congress politicians and workers, they are basically in high spirits. आणि I believe that this is a game which the Congress and the India alliance, both of us will surely win. आणि ह्या वेळार आमकां गोंयांक आनी गोंयकारांक असो खासदार जाय जाचे कडेन एक करेज आहा, कन्विक्शन आहा, कमिटमेंट आहा आणि कॉम्पिटन्सी आहा, कापासितात आसलेलो आणि जे गोंयचे खातीर लोकसभेन उबो रावन म्हाका दिसता गोंयकारांचे आणि देशाचे प्रश्न मांडपाक. अँड बोथ द कॅन्डिडेट्स that have been declared, I believe, have these qualities. Both are meritorious to adorn the Lok Sabha. They have the strength, the capacity and competence and the courage, not only to take issues pertaining to the state, but to espouse for national issues as well. And I'm quite sure that the Congress workers and the people of Goa will ensure their victory. Both our candidates match what Goa and the nation needs today. And Congress looks at all Indians basically as citizens, not as belonging to any majority or minority religion. And the temple for the Congress is the Constitution. And development, employment, justice and basic needs is also our primary agenda. म्हाका खात्री आहा की all I wish them all the best, and we are quite confident that we will definitely win both the seats of North Goa and South Goa with the people's support.
So what about the campaigning? When you will now, the name has been declared, when you will start the campaigning with the candidate?
No, our campaigning had already started. See, let us be very thing. We had already started our campaign, but now officially the candidates have been announced, and they will also immediately start. We had started our campaign already. Everywhere, in fact, all our candidates were moving around and everything. Everything has been put in place. We are very sure.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.